Yo guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Depoist and thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video. Guys, today I will be specifically talking about Polygon MATIC. It's absolutely insane what we are currently seeing. Of course, today it has been increasing with another 23%, and of course in the past 7 days it's over 100%, and that is the reason of course why I will be right now discussing MATIC. And of course I think it's a very interesting coin, and it definitely deserves its position in the top 20. So guys, without further ado, let's go right away into the video. But before, guys, we're going to exactly talk about Polygon. Make sure to smash up that like button, make sure to ring the bell notification, and of course subscribe to the channel, because yes guys, we are very close by reaching the 42.7k, and it will be of course for me an amazing target to reach here. So Polygon, yeah, if you look to the coins with the most amount of gains today, it is on number one, Polygon. It's been once again increasing 23%. But you're maybe asking yourself what it is doing and why is it increasing so significantly. And Rover, don't you think it's way too overextended? And Rover, why should you be saying right now that it is looking strong? And this is right away thing that I want to be saying here. You can first see already here, Polygon active users grow by 75,000 as the DeFi boom continues. And guys, DeFi is just getting started here. A lot of people think that the DeFi hype is already behind us, but we are just getting started. So very exciting. And you have to know that Polygon is a layer 2 solution. They're trying to solve the issue on the Ethereum network, because the Ethereum problem basically is the transaction cost too high and not fast enough. So Polygon is of course a layer 2 solution built on the Ethereum network to solve these issues, to make cheaper transactions, and of course also make faster transactions. So yeah, scaling a little bit more into the infrastructure development, as you can see over here. So very exciting what you can see over here. And yeah, it's definitely a very good coin here. And of course, because they are trying to solve this issue, yeah, it is also the reason why they are increasing so significantly, because they are currently the biggest layer 2 solutions that there is currently ongoing here on the Ethereum network. And I mean, you also guys know YLD here, Yield app is also has a sidechain here of Polygon, and of course so you can be buying your YLD without these high transaction fees. And of course it's definitely a very good thing to see here. And of course Polygon is very innovating right now, so that is also the main reason behind it, the layer 2 solution being so successful, why people are feeling very excited about it. And of course it has been working very well here. So what can we be seeing here on the MATIC compared to US dollar chart? So first of all, a while ago we were of course first discussing symmetrical triangle breakout. This was of course already quite a long period ago here on the channel. We were discussing that we are going to see a breakout of this symmetrical triangle over here. Since then we were seeing the breakout, of course. We continued higher, already smashed through the price target. We continue to rush towards the upside. But then, of course, if I go back to the 4-hour candles, guys, recently we were forming this parallel channel. And it's very unfortunate because earlier today I already tried to upload this video, but the recording was, getting messed up here. So I have to redo it right now. So pretty unfortunate. But yeah, what you can see over here, MATIC network broke out of these you can say it's maybe a bull flag, or you can just call it a parallel channel. But yeah, if you're measuring it as a bull flag, you can see the potential price target is still sitting a bit higher. And I know Bitcoin is decreasing a little bit right now, pushing down the MATIC price, but still, if we're going to reach the price target of the bull flag, guys, the increasement will be another 20% towards the upside. So that is of course already a very exciting target. And I mean, we can also be setting up a Fibonacci if we want to be looking for some extension levels in the coming days here, because yes guys, we've been increasing very significantly, and you can see already the 1.618 here, the resistance for MATIC network, we are running in towards it, and of course right now finding resistance on it. And also a thing that is currently playing out here is that we are forming a downtrend on the RSI, and we are sending bearish divergence each and every time. So yes, I do want to be feeling very exciting about MATIC network, because yes, the fundamentals are definitely on our side. And I will be also saying this to you guys: the probability of MATIC entering the top 10 is definitely here. But what are we going to see it, and when are we going to see it? That is the real question. So currently we are starting a downtrend on the 4-hourly candles, can be pushing down the price a little bit there. But of course, if we are right now going to go to the daily candles, guys, and if we are going to take this Elliott wave structure, because this was the thing that I was, of course, recognizing, because this looks clearly like an Elliott wave that I should be playing here. So you can see first impulsive move, second impulsive move, and I do expect that we're going to see correction anytime soon here, but I don't think that's necessarily then, because yeah, just like I told you before, we are definitely in an uptrend. I think, yeah, we can be entering the top 10. There's no doubt about that because, yeah, the fundamentals are really on our side. And if you look to the top 10 coins right now, they all have very good fundamentals. Yeah, of course, Dogecoin is also there, but they all have very good fundamentals. But, I mean, I think the Elliott wave structure is a very likely scenario to play out here because, yeah, I mean, we saw one impulsive move, then another impulsive move, and right now I do expect a correction because of 4 hourly. We are of course in a downtrend, and we are hitting the resistance target of the Fibonacci right now, and of course it can be maybe giving us some downwards momentum, cooling off for a second, and then we can be blasting off further towards the upside. So I mean, longer period, in the longer term, I don't feel necessarily bearish, but right now in the immediate short term, yes, we can be seeing a minor correction because we're running into multiple levels of resistance. And if you also flip onto the MACD, guys, what you can currently see here is that we are setting a lower high on the MACD, as well a lower low on the MACD on the 4 hourly candle. So this, of course, is a reason and of course a signal that we are currently getting. I don't want to be all the time bearish because, yes, guys, I still think that we're going to go higher, like I told you before. But the immediate short term, we can be seeing some pullbacks here for MATIC network because, yeah, of course, lower high structure getting formed on the MACD, lower low structure as well. This can be identifying that we are going to see some more selling pressure coming towards the market. So that's the thing that I want to be saying. The daily looks still very healthy because on the daily we are setting higher highs and higher lows as well. So of course, the daily structure is looking particularly good here, and I have no reason to really panic on the daily candles. Only the lower time frame is looking a little bit worse here. And then besides that, guys, if you also flip onto the, let me see, the EMA ribbon here, I can see on the daily, we're still quite far away from the EMA here. On the 4 hour, we're getting supported by it multiple times, you can see over here. So yeah, if we're going to see a correction towards the EMA ribbon, I mean, I will be not hesitating of buying some more MATIC networks. So I mean, definitely very exciting what we are currently seeing. We're getting supported by the EMA ribbon band the whole time. So that's of course a lovely thing to see here. So these are my thoughts here on the MATIC compared to US dollar chart. But guys, of course, we also have a Bitcoin valuation, and how is this one looking? So this one is also looking like we are absolutely going parabolic, and it looks to be something like the same structure. Only on this one you can see we are already creating a same kind of Elliott wave structure as well here. So yeah, we have been seeing 2 impulsive moves. So yeah, I do still think that we can get a third one because usually we get 3 impulsive moves in an Elliott wave, and this looks clearly like an Elliott wave structure. So it looks very exciting, of course, and hopefully we can be seeing some higher prices anytime soon here. Besides that, we also have a very stealth upward sloping support line. I mean, you can also draw it from this point on here. You can see that we are absolutely going to, yeah, of course, find very good support on this level. And of course, if we're going to break this trend line, we can really look for lower prices. But of course, that is a thing that I don't necessarily expect in the immediate short term because, yeah, we are still looking particularly well here. The daily is also looking healthy. And yeah, let's see how this will be performing like. And of course, I can set up a Fibonacci from here on. Oh, this is my Ethereum chart. I mean, I can set a Fibonacci from here on. Of course, let's look at some extension levels. Of course, we already broke through the 1.618. We can be, you can see over here as well, we were retracing and of course finding support on this level after it moved higher once again here. But yeah, there's definitely a possibility that we're maybe heading towards the 1.618 here. And of course, after that, go a little bit higher once again. So yeah, nothing goes up in a straight line. Just like MATIC network, nothing goes up in a straight line, guys. That's of course a thing that you want to be knowing here. And of course, in this video, I just want to be raising the awareness that we are a little bit overextended currently on the US dollar valuation. But I do get why it is still increasing because the fundamentals are looking very strong. And of course, once the fundamentals are looking very strong, coins just tend to ignore these bearish signals on the technicals. And I mean, still, I don't think that you're necessarily doing a bad job if you're accumulating it, because I think really, to be very honest to you, it's currently trading on P17. I won't be surprised if it will be sitting in the top 10, guys, like I told you earlier in the video as well here. And also think I want to be saying here, guys, make sure to go to the description here and sign up with Bybit if you want to be leverage trading as well here. You can also sign up with Femex if you want to be spot trading, etc. And of course, there are some other referral links as well in the description. But make sure to sign up with Bybit because currently Bybit, of course, is offering us a $2,610 deposit bonus. So guys, that is of course an insane bonus. If you want to be signing up with Bybit, make sure to do so right now. You can be finding it in the pinned comment section, or you can be just going into the description. Definitely worth to do so. And I mean, make sure to also check my previous videos here on the channel. Guys, it's absolutely crushing it recently with the trades there. So yeah, looking forward to see you guys more often on the channel as well here, if you're new to the channel, of course. But yeah, MATIC network compared to Ethereum as well, Let me flip it to the daily candle. The daily candle close will be very important for this chart because, yes, guys, currently we are still trading above the 2.618 here. This is, of course, a major level of resistance. If we can be closing the daily candles above it, we can be looking for some higher prices. But if we are going to reject this one, so if we're going to close the daily candle below the 2.618 here, we can be seeing some reversals towards the downside. So very exciting times here, very interesting times as well here because, yes, you can basically go two directions from here on. So yeah, I feel very excited about it. I do think that we are going to see some more momentum towards the upside getting traded still on this chart because yeah, it just still looks extremely good here. And on the 4-hourly, we already broke above it, and of course finding support on the level as well here. So I do expect some more momentum towards the upside. So guys, hopefully you loved my video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you learned something from it. I mean, yeah, my thoughts basically here is, yeah, I already discussed the MACD, etc. But I think, yeah, we can be getting a rejection because, yeah, on the 4-hourly, we are not looking necessarily strong here. We're definitely in a downtrend on the 4-hour. So yeah, that's of course a thing that you want to keep your eyes out on. Of course, the daily candle still looks very good here. But yeah, these are basically my thoughts, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you're going to enjoy your day here. And I will check you guys later tomorrow in a new stream on the channel. Goodbye.